So I have to ask this question then related to the Office of the Attorney General of the state of Georgia, Chris Carr. Is he doing a misuse of the Senior Citizen Act of the federal level related to elder abuse? Because he's addressing the issue, but the misuse of Senior Citizen Act that I was talking about is kind of because abuse is abuse to me. It doesn't matter how old a person is, but it kind of appears to me that he might be doing a misuse of the Senior Citizen Act related to physical violence, because it says the Office of the Attorney General will not tolerate the abuse of Georgia's older and at-risk adults, whether physical, emotional, financial, or by neglect. Well, and then up here it says Georgia has special laws to protect residents 65 years of age and older. Well, what about everybody else in between those ages? So this seems to me to be an abuse of the Senior Citizens Act. What about everybody else? They don't get help. They don't get help for domestic abuse and being abused, emotionally abused. Disabled adults 18 years of age and older who are mentally or physically incapacitated. So is there a misuse of traumatic brain injured act as well? I don't know. Physically incapacitated or who have Alzheimer's disease or dementia, and residents of long-term care facilities. Well, inflation is causing that problem now. But they seem too ignorant to actually understand that. Inflation is causing that now in the medical industry all over the place. Due to the age and or disability, this population may be at increased risk for abuse, neglect, and exploitation. Well, money's doing that now. So I have to ask, is the Georgia State Attorney General a capitalist or one of those activist judges? Medicaid Fraud Division. The Attorney General Medicaid Fraud Division has three principal responsibilities: to investigate criminal fraud committed upon Georgia's Medicaid program, to investigate and abuse and neglect in patients' health care facilities funded by the Medicaid. Okay, so, but I was just up here wanting to look at the elder abuse and misuse of the elder abuse related to whatever it is their agenda is, because he has a very narrow scope related to abuse of a person. So why would an older person have a higher amount of threshold for abuse than a younger person from 18 on up? I'm confused. And children have a higher level